Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Brother Scan and Cut to make this adorable triangle watermelon treat box. Isn't that fun? It opens up like this and you can fill it with all kinds of goodies. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty guys, here we are at the computer. I already have my Canvas workspace opened. I am using a desktop version. And you can see we have the project library open. There's lots of really fun projects here. The one we're making today are these really cute triangular watermelon gift boxes. Go ahead and click on that. It brings up a little preview window and you can see it has the mats that we need. We have mat A, mat B, and mat C. Mat A is the box itself, mat B is the white piece that goes around it, and also the green piece here for the end, and mat C are the seeds. I'm going to click on mat A first, let that process, then move this window out of my way. You can see that brings up mat A inside the Canvas workspace. Go ahead and click on the project here, make sure it's highlighted. Go to my top toolbar, click on File, click on Transfer via the Internet. Now that puts that file on my machine. So I'll go ahead and cut that piece out. When that is done, come back to the workspace, click on the box to delete it, go back to my project, click on mat B, have that on my mat here, have them both selected just by dragging your mouse across both. Go back up top, click on File, again transfer to the machine, cut that piece out. When that is done, I'll come back again, delete these two pieces, then go ahead and click on mat C, which are the seeds. Again, go back up top, click on File, have it selected first, select it there. Okay, go up top, click on File, Transfer on the machine, I'll cut it out. When all that is cut out, we'll go to the table and put our box together. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, here we are with all of our pieces cut out. I'm first going to take the base, and what I want to do, I'm going to grab some ink, some red ink, and just a wet kitchen sponge that I wrung out really well. Take this and just kind of dab on this to give it that more realistic watermelon look. And I'm going to do the same to that green piece as well. So I just took, like I said, a regular kitchen sponge, I wet it, and then cut it up and dry it out, but just wring it out with a towel, and I use it as my sponge. Okay, so we got that piece done. Hopefully you can see there a little bit of texture that gives it. I close this up, and we're going to do the same with the green piece as well. Grab my green sponge, and rather than dabbing it, I'm just going to go ahead and go like this, just kind of color it a little bit. I didn't have a darker green cardstock, so I thought this was the next best thing. Okay, just to give it that little bit of texture there. Alright, I can set that aside. Let's take our box, and now we're going to go ahead and find all the little score marks, little dashes that it does. Now folding them both ways, I inked the wrong end. Just fold on the dash lines. You know, I mentioned it before, I prefer the dash lines for the score marks versus the scoring tool that the Cricut has. I just think this gives a much more better score. The Silhouette Cameo has it as well. Alright, take this one. Just make sure they're all scored really well and they're all going the same direction. Take our rind piece, go ahead and score that as well. Alright, now we're going to take our glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get it from MayMayMadeIt.com. Take this, just put glue all over this piece. I want to make sure I'm going edge to edge here. Okay, then take this piece and just line it up. I have the score mark down. Line that up just like that. Get a little bit of rub. I'm going to flip it over and give it another rub. Just make sure it's down there really, really well. Alright, now I'm going to take this little tab right here. Put glue on it. How fun would these be for a barbecue picnic? That's a good size box too. All right. I just glued the front piece of that. I'm just kind of squishing it to make sure it stays there. Now we have this piece. We're going to put glue on that piece. You could use a tape runner if you want to, but I think the wet glue works fine. And plus the wet glue gives me a little bit of wiggle room in case I don't get it lined up perfectly the first time. Alright, then just take this piece and lay it on top. Just like that. Just make sure it's lined up. I'm going to flip it over and just kind of put my hands in there just to rub that piece down. Make sure it sticks down really well. Alright, so now we have our box, just like that. Okay, but now you need to put the white piece around it. The white piece has score marks as well. Just follow those, fold on where they go. Okay. Alright, so now when you look at it, looks like this. So you have a tab here, then you have this piece here. This piece goes right here, then this all gets wrapped around the box. Okay, so I'm first going to put glue on this little piece right here. Okay, just like that. So I have that little piece on my left. Take it to the top of the box, lining it up edge to edge. Make sure even with the top, and just kind of give it a little rub. Make sure that sticks. Now on mine, I have the flap here, like that. Okay, so you can do it either way. So if you want to have this be the front of your box, you can put your seeds here. I have my seeds this way, and I have the box opening up that way. Alright, either way is fine though. Alright, now I'll take the next section, flip it over, put some glue on it, and then take this, and wrap it around, make sure you're lining up the edges. Okay, and then again, just give it a few pinches to make sure it stays there. Take this one. So I think I put my watermelon seeds on the wrong side of the box. So we'll fix that with this one. Okay, just get that lined up. Okay, again, I'm going to flip it over and just put my hands in there just to rub that down, and then we'll glue this little piece here. So really simple little box to get put together, and absolutely adorable. You know, you can always save this box and make it for something else. Just have a triangle box. You can eliminate the green watermelon part. Alright, so there's our flaps. And then this goes in. Like such. Okay, I'm going to glue this piece down a little bit more. You see I'm lifting up on the side right here. You can also put this on the other way. Have this piece go on the back and go around so your front piece is all finished. You don't have that seam right here. Okay, so I think I did that wrong, but again, it's still a box. Okay, so we have that. Go ahead and close your box up. Yeah, I think I did do that wrong. So when you put your white band on, take that piece here and put it on the back first. So you see how my back is seamless? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put our seeds on. Just a little bit of glue. I'm going to do 4 on the front and then 3 on both sides. One up there. Okay, flip it over, do this side. Really, really cute for a summer treat box. Okay, so I'm just putting the 3 seeds on this side. They give you, what is it, 10, I think? You can always cut out more if you wanted to have more seeds. So I will do this side. I do like the way that sponging looks on it. And our last one right there. How cute, right? Absolutely adorable. So there's that box here, and then we have, see this one? I have that as my front, the seamless part. This one I have, this is the front. So it's up to you guys how you want to orient it. But really, really cute little box. Alright guys, there you have it. Our Brother Scan and Cut video, a super cute triangular shaped watermelon gift box. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.